Hello everyone, my name is Mark Christian Lawrence Pasco from PSIT 2I and welcome to my presentation for Prelim Laboratory 2. Today, we'll be working with SQL statement to demonstrate the basic of database design and management. In this session, I will guide you through the following SQL commands. First, create database using your surname in your database file name. Create database. We will begin by creating a new database as a foundation for our data storage. Second, create table. Create table, at least 3 table. Create table will define a setup table within our database which will serve as container for our data. Third, insert into. Insert into show how to insert record into our table to add actual data for manipulation. And trap will discuss how to delete database or tables when they are no longer needed. Fifth, delete. Lastly, I will demonstrate how to remove specific records from a table without affecting the entire structure. Throughout the demonstration, I will explain each command and show how they work in real time to ensure a better understanding of database operation. Let's get started. First, open the XAMPP control panel and phpMyAdmin. After that, first, create database using my surname. So, new SQL and create database using my surname Basco DB Tuldok Kuwait. Yan. This is the code for creating database. SQL query and my database name. So, screenshot and go. It's run. So, screenshot ulit. Then, after that, second, create table, at least 3 table. Gagawa daw tayo ng table na 3. So, sa Basco DB natin. So, click the Basco DB, then SQL, and create a 3 table. So, gawa tayo ng 3 table. C. Andito na yung table na ginawa natin. Ang library ID ay may primary key na nagsisiguro ng bawat records ay unique. Ang library name naman po ay naglalaman ng pangalan ng library and location kung saan nakalocate ang library name. Then, ang query na ginamit ko is create table and pangalan ng table is library, books, and borrowers. Then, books ID naka-primary key ulit para maging unique and yung title ng books na gagawin natin and kung sino yung author and library ID. Siguro nagtataka kayo ba't naka-foreign key to. Ang foreign key ay nagre-refer sa library table para i-link ang libro sa isang library. So, parang relational database ditong dalawang ito. Then, after that, create table, borrowers, and borrowers ID. Naka-primary key ulit para maging unique. And borrower's name kung anong pangalan ng umiram ng libro and contact number. After that, screenshot and go. See, nag-run na. Screenshot ulit. After that, after creating the table, maglalagay naman tayo ng insert into at least 3 data in a table. Maglalagay daw tayo ng 3 data bawat table. So, unahin na natin tong library. So, click the library and SQL. After that, ang ginamit kong query language naman ay itong insert into, tapos yung pangalan ng kung saang table, and yung library ID, library name, location, and kung itong values is kung ano yung ilalagay mong data. So, ito, library ID, number 1, Rosario library name, and Rosario. Ganun lang din dito sa pangalawa. Insert into, library ID, library name, location, value, number 2, and amlang, library, and amlang. Insert into library ID, library name, location, values 3, nagtagaan library, nagtagaan. And screenshot. And go. Screenshot ulit. And check the library kung nailagay yung table na library ID, library name, and location. Number 1, Rosario library, Rosario. 2, amlang library, amlang. 3, nagtagaan library, nagtagaan. Ito yung data na tinatawag, itong tatlong to. Ito naman tinatawag is, nakalimutan ko na. Okay, next, books. C, wala pang nakalagay. Then, ganun ulit. Insert into books ID. At dito naman po ay mag-insert po tayo ng data sa books sa tatlong data po ulit, which is No Limit Tangere, at ang author niya ay si Jose Rizal, at library ID 1. Ganun lang din sa pangalawa, El Filibusterismo, title ng libro, then Jose Rizal ulit yung author, and number 2. And insert into books ID, title, author, and library ID, Banaag at Sikat, at nag-author naman po is si Lope K. Santos, and library ID is 1. So, screenshot and go. Then, click the books, and nailagay na dito yung mga data na in-input natin kanina. No Limit Tangere, Jose Rizal, El Filibusterismo, Jose Rizal, Banaag at Sikat, Lope K. Santos. Third, dito naman po tayo sa borrowers. C, wala pang data na ilalagay. So, maglagay tayo ng data. Same output lang din. Insert into borrowers ID, borrower's name, contact number, and values. And 1, mark my number, and insert into borrower's ID, borrower's name, contact number, values. Number 2, pangalan ng tao, Ilab Esme, number, and insert number 3. Insert into borrowers, which is yung data na nilagay natin dito, ay yung table na ginawa natin. Borrower's ID, borrower's name, contact number, and values 3, Sheila May, number. So, screenshot and go. And screenshot ulit. Then, click the borrowers kung nailagay yung data na in-input natin. So, screenshot po natin. Okay. For the second to the last is drop. Drop one table in your database. Magdadrop tayo ng isang table So, ang gusto kong tanggalin is itong borrowers. So, click the Basco DB, SQL, and drop table borrowers. Then, tuldok ko it. This is the query. Drop table, tapos pangalan ng table na idadrop natin. Go. Do you want to really execute the drop table borrowers? Okay. See? Nakita nyo na nawala na yung borrowers dito sa gilid. Ganun po ang ginagawa ng drop table. Pwede rin naman po drop database kung gusto nyo alisin yung buong database. So, drop table Basco DB. So, ganun po. Then, last, delete. Delete one data inside a table. So, ang gusto ko pong i-delete is isa dito sa books. At ang i-delete ko po is itong El Filibusterismo Jose Rizal 2. Ito po. Ito. I-delete ko po to. Then, using SQL command. So, click the Basco DB, SQL, and using this command, delete from books, pangalan ng table, then where, gumamit tayo ng where kasi kung ano yung gusto nating i-delete, kung nasaan. Then book ID equals to tuldok. See, yung number 2 is ito yung ID na nilagay natin, which is yung El Filibusterismo. Then delete from, ito yung SQL query na ginamit natin. Then ito yung where, kung nasaan banda yung i-delete natin. So, screenshot. After screenshot, go. Do you want to really execute delete from books where books ID is equal to number 2? Okay. See, delete, nag-run siya, delete from. Check natin kung na-delete nga ba yung El Filibusterismo sa books. So, see, books ID 1, 3. So, wala na yung El Filibusterismo kanina. So, screenshot. At, yun lang po ang Prelim Laboratory 2 using SQL statement and SQL query. Bye, sir.